once again, I'm going to go to the three dots. I'm going to hit stop recording. Stop recording. So my recording is going to be saved in my Google Drive. So in a couple of minutes, if that long, it will give me a notification. So it did give me a notification. I missed it with the camera. So one of the things you can do is you can go to your drive. So this is where you probably come to first. I found it at recent. It gives you the ID of the meeting, the date, and the time. So if I'm going to double click it to double check it, so it's going to take it a couple of minutes, depends on how long the video is, to process. So when it processes the video, we'll be able to see it and view it. So it's not processed yet. So I'm going to back up and I'm going to get a shareable link. So I'm going to hit the link button. Notice this is blue. It says link sharing is off. I'm going to turn link sharing on. Now this is for anyone at Schools of the Sacred Heart can view. I can change this so that it is, if I click here, it's going to do the down, more, so that it's on for anyone with the link. If somebody has trouble viewing your video, it's going to be because they're logged into their mom's account or their dad's account. So if that does give you issues, I will turn it to anyone with the link. So I'm just going to leave it with anyone at Sacred Heart. So I've copied the link. Now I'm going to go over here, to my Google Classroom. Let me get to the beginning. I'm going to add classwork. I'm going to call this a material. Let's see. Recording in Google Meet. I'm going to add a link, or I can also add it from Google Drive. Control paste, add link, and it's added. So that's all there is to it.